Reliable and sustainable cooling is essential. Meet BAC's Series 3000 cooling tower, engineered for efficiency and peace of mind. With up to 1,450 nominal tons of thermal capacity, its crossflow design maximizes heat rejection while simplifying maintenance. An internal walkway provides a safe and spacious walkable surface to inspect the cold water basin. With various ladder and platform accessory options, components such as nozzles are simple to inspect. Next, the optional ENDURADRIVE fan system requires virtually no maintenance, while providing up to 10% higher efficiency. Also, superior material options increase corrosion resistance and longevity. For large projects, increase layout flexibility by connecting multiple units with room for expansion. BAC's Series 3000 delivers lower energy costs, trusted reliability, and minimal maintenance, keeping your facility running efficiently. Ready to upgrade your cooling confidence? Contact BAC today.